Hello world, my name's Doug Holub, and hey, we had a pop-up camper, a used one that we bought a few years ago, but the canvas started getting holes in it and getting old, and I don't know about you, but I hate popping those things up and down. It takes about half an hour and it's a lot of hard work. It makes my arm sore, and so when the canvas started going bad, I started watching YouTube videos about pop-up conversions, and a guy named, I don't know his name, but the video was by Drez 2000, that's D-R-E-Z 2001. He got 22 videos that shows how he took a small Coleman pop-up camper like this one and converted it into a hard size. Now the roof doesn't go up and down. But mine did, because I wanted something that'd be easy to trailer, that wouldn't stick up so high and wouldn't blow around in the wind, and it'd be lighter. So anyway, this is YouTube's been a big help to me in many areas, car repair, house repair. So I thought I'd let the world see what we did here, maybe give you some ideas on what you might want to do. Now, the one thing that I like, okay, I think I'll turn this camera around now so you can see the camper a little better. There we go. Forgive me, I've never done a video with a phone before.